Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Roblox white screen error. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So while trying to use a Roblox or playing game, if you're having that kind of issue, first thing instantly what you're going to do is you're going to check your internet connection. If your internet connection is not good, then that can be the reason why your app is acting up. So make sure to check it out and go ahead, switch to another network if you would prefer. Then afterwards, once you have done that, you're going to go to your app store and check if your app needs an update. You're going to go ahead, search the Roblox on top, and then see whether the app needs an update or not. If it shows update, go ahead, update it up. That could be the reason as well why your app is showing the white screen. Once you've done that, if it still doesn't help, then you're going to go ahead, long press on it, and you're going to simply remove the app and reinstall, re-sign in, and rejoin the game or use your app likewise, and that should help you out. That's basically how you're going to solve it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.